Why Scrum became so popular and so quickly? I often ask this question to the Scrum Masters in the interview. The answer helps understand how well the candidate understands the Scrum framework and if the candidate truly believes in the power of Agile. Typical response is, Scrum came into existence as a response to the challenges and limitations of traditional project management methodologies. But why those challenges become so prominent that we needed a new framework? Pause the video and think, how would you answer this question? Let's get started. Here are 6 key reasons why Scrum became so popular so quickly. Reason 1. Faster time to market. During 80s and 90s, the brand started going global and started exploring different markets. Therefore, there was a need to build something quickly to gain the market share. Traditional methodologies had lengthy development cycles. Therefore, an iterative and incremental approach needed to deliver small usable increments, enabling quicker releases and a faster response to market needs. Reason 2. Increased customer involvement. Every territory is different. This produced the need to hear and understand what customer wants, thus leading to more customer involvement. Traditional approaches often had limited customer involvement until the end of the project, leading to potential misunderstandings and dissatisfaction. Hence, a regular collaboration with customers was required, ensuring that the delivered product aligns with customer expectations. Reason 3. Flexibility. Globalization resulted in competition and dynamism. To maintain the edge over competitor, flexibility and adaptability was must. But traditional methodologies were rigid and inflexible, making it challenging to adapt to changing requirements or unexpected issues. Hence, a more flexible framework that could accommodate changes during the development process was required. We are halfway through this video. If the content is resonating with you, then please like this video and share it with your friends. Also consider leaving your questions and thoughts in the comments below. Reason 4. Complexity and uncertainty. Software development starts as imagination. That means not everything can be imagined up front. Some details and complexity unfold as we get to it. Hence, it was challenging to plan every detail up front. Therefore, a framework was required that acknowledges this complexity and embraces an empirical approach, encouraging teams to inspect and adapt throughout the development process. Reason 5. Continuous improvement. By then, reinventing a wheel had become a costly and most importantly time-consuming. Hence, a framework was required that incorporates regular inspection and adaptation through retrospectives and continuous improvement. This emphasis on learning and adapting contributes to the overall success and effectiveness of the development process. Reason 6. Empowering teams. Every team is different. Hence, the top-down communication and management structure with strict hierarchies and roles turning out to be ineffective. There was a need for a framework where the peers adjust with each other's strength and weakness and grow as a team. The speed can only be achieved via ownership and making decisions collectively. So, keeping all of these points in mind, Scrum was formalized and introduced by Ken Schwaber and Jeff Sutherland in the early 1990s. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.